What's up, guys? So we got it cleaned up a little bit, got the fire going. You can actually kind of tell that it's a fire pit now, so looking pretty good. Sun's going down. Yeah, trying to clean up out here. Got the chainsaw and old brush pile right there. Chopped up a few pines over there, so you can see I got a few pines dropped out. I'm trying to clear out this whole area right here, but yeah, cut these up, just gonna burn them. Like I said, pines, I mean, we normally just burn them right off the rip, or you can like split them and use them for strictly bonfire, but we wouldn't use pine for inside of the house for burning wood. But yeah, it's going pretty good. I'll set y'all up and kind of show y'all what I'm doing. We'll enjoy the sunset, enjoy the bonfire together. I'll throw in some more logs. We got the water hose out here just in case, because it was, starting out, it was all piled up full of junk and stuff, and we started out, and you can see where the fire came outside over there too. You can see where the fire came outside of the fire pit and was wanting to burn up the hill and out into this. That's all pine straw, so that'd be bad. But yeah, we got it beat down, got the shovel out, and dug out a little area, got the leaves knocked back a little bit, and got the water hose and sprayed around the fire pit. If it starts to creep up, you just give a little squirt, and at the end of the night, put it out. But yeah, this is a massive bonfire. I know it's probably harder to see through the camera, but just the fire pit itself, I mean, them coals are spicy right now. Yeah, I'll set you up right here. I'm gonna be over here getting those logs and bringing them over here and throwing them in the fire pit. So yeah, enjoy the sunset, enjoy the fire, and I want to keep this guy going. Tonight. Whew, yeah, so that's probably about all the memory I have on this card. I forgot I was getting low. Yeah, just wanted to show y'all what's going on. We're burning a little bit of wood, cleaning up. So enjoying this Thanksgiving Day. Sun's going down. So hope y'all are having a good one. Yeah, stay positive, stay blessed, and be thankful. Peace out, guys.